Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to fix the GTA 5 enhanced Rune error could not find Rune64 Dll. First, download the latest Rune64 Dll file from a trusted DLL repository. Then place the Rune64 Dll file into the GTA 5 game installation folder. Next, register the DLL by running command prompt as an admin and typing reg svr32 Rune64.d11. Now verify GTA 5 game files via Steam or Rockstar Launcher to fix any missing files. Update your graphics drivers and Windows OS to the latest versions. Next, temporarily disable antivirus or Windows Defender to avoid DLL blocking. Run GTA 5 as administrator to ensure proper permissions. Now reinstall Visual C++, redistributables to fix missing runtime components. Then restart your PC and launch GTA 5 again to check if the error is resolved. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.